In this video, I'll show you a few easy ways to fix a flickering screen on your Samsung TV. Your TV might look like this, or the flicker might be a bit different, but these steps should help. First, unplug your Samsung TV from the power outlet. Now wait for 5 minutes before plugging it back in. While you wait, find the power button on your TV. It could be on the back or 30 seconds. When the time's up, plug your TV directly into the wall socket, not into a power strip. Sometimes power strips can actually cause the flickering problem. If the flicker is still there, try this. Go to the back of your TV and find the HDMI port. Unplug the HDMI cable, then replace it with a different one. If you have a spare HDMI cable lying around, use that. Also, try plugging it into a different HDMI port. For example, if it was an HDMI 1 before, try HDMI 3 instead. Sometimes the HDMI port can get a little loose. Use your thumb to gently push on the port to make sure it's firmly connected. When you plug the HDMI cable back in, press it in a little more firmly than usual. This can help reconnect anything that might have shifted inside. If the problem is still there, grab your remote and press the home button. Go to Settings, General Eco Solution. Turn Energy Saving Mode off. Then, in the same menu, turn Ambient Light Detection off as well. Still flickering? Press Home again on your remote. Go to Settings, Picture, Expert Settings. Scroll down and choose Reset Picture. When it asks for confirmation, select Yes. This won't delete your apps or reset your whole TV. It just restores the picture settings to default. If nothing has worked so far, your last option is a factory reset. Go to the menu, select Setup, then System, and then Factory Defaults. Select Yes to confirm. This will erase your apps, save passwords, and personal settings, but it can completely fix stubborn problems. I hope one of these steps fixed your Samsung TV flicker. If it did, let me know in the comments.